It's gonna be a quick and dirty, guys. We're in the parking lot here at my local Carquest. Power steering pump hose went bad on me, so this is what you're gonna be doing today. And you're gonna need a pair of pliers, and you're gonna need a 5/8 wrench, preferably a hose wrench that actually has the little extensions here for better grip, but it'll do in a pinch. So let's get to it. Alright, as you can see, the air setup, the intake air is laid back for access to this hose here. That is the low pressure side that it goes down, makes it cooler, and comes back up to right here. And it's just held on by a clamp. So that's where you're going to need your pliers in. You're just going to use them, put them there, pull them down. Alright, the hose is replaced now. Like I said, quick and dirty, guys. Slipped the clamp back upon the hose, transferred it over. This is tightened up. And the only notes I'm going to take away from this, besides the fact I like how I got my setup done, it's easy to work on, is you will have to transfer the little hold down clamp over because it does not come with a new one. And that's all it is. I had to stretch it out, put it around, squeeze it back, put it in bolt in place. As far as what caused the issue to begin with is this right here. There we go, right there. You can see it's rubbed a hole in it. It's just done.